Okay, so I'm at a church in my grandparents' town that my grandparents used to go to. We've got some vintage Rheems and then some really old things over there. So this is an old green stamped octagon Rheem, like my scrap unit. Looks like somebody has repainted them because this line has some paint on it. Any data? Oh yeah, here we go. 1984. 56,000 BTU. That would be like about a 4.5 ton. Interesting. That has got a, looks like a Bristol maybe. I don't know. It's a reset. I see the tag, but I'm not gonna try to read it for too long. It's got a new motor in it. '84 Rheem, and there's some more down here. Awesome. All right, down there's some super old Tappans too. Wow, this is awesome, man. All vintage units here. Here's a couple more Rheems, smaller ones. These are just like mine actually. Same size and everything, except they've got different blades. Ah, this one's state is gone. Let's see. Yeah, can't see on the compressor. How about this one? Dang it. Oh wait, there's something still here. Manufactured, I can almost see it. No. All the numbers are gone, just their text is still there. Probably from around the same age. This is an interesting building. I'm trying to see if it's a straight cool. Pretty sure it is. Here's the compressor. So yeah, this is within walking distance of my grandparents' house, so I could definitely come here in the summer. Sweet. Yeah. Vintage Rheems. So 2 small ones there, 1 big one right there, and then these. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is awesome. Ancient Tappans. These old tabletop kind. 3 of them right in a row. This is the ultimate find. 77. 3 ton. I'm pretty sure I know how to decode these. 77L. I'm pretty sure that would be 97. Old Tappans. I know of one of these from 73. And it's green. They must have changed it to white. This is awesome. The coil is on top. And then the fans are on the bottom. So there's the fan grill. Let's see if I can... Yeah, see if I can show the fan blades. I don't know what I'm looking at, but... Yeah, there's the fans. Gotta get these. That's awesome. Three ton from 77. Three ton from 77. So 1984 Rheems and 1977 Tappans. I'm gonna look around and see if there's any more. Wow, these are awesome. All right. And there's a house there with another Rheem, but I'm not gonna go to that. So yeah, 3 1977 Tappans. Oh, look here. You can see the fans. Pretty interesting looking. Right, and 1984 Rheems. Data sheets are gone on those, but it's probably from 84 like the others. All right, nice. All right, out.